Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running. This morning, Kelly and I continue our Parkrun holidaying adventures. This morning we are at the beautiful Port Lincoln. Never been to Port Lincoln before, but apparently it's also the seafood capital of Australia, or at least that's what the TV at dinner last night told me. So yeah, we're down here doing the Port Lincoln Parkrun. Once again, I think we got super lucky because the weather's meant to be horrendous. You know, sort of the afternoons, it's been blowing a gale. It's been chucking it down in terms of rain as well. So clear skies for the moment. So I think I have continued my luck of getting the perfect weather for Parkrun. So basically, yeah, the Port Lincoln Parkrun starts here at this shelter. Apparently goes down to that jetty there. And then you run all the way along the esplanade, which I am currently standing on. And you go down beside that Viterra building. You turn around, then you're going to come back this way, back past the shelter. You do that twice, and then it's a little bit on the footpath here. We'll tell you this is where you finish. So anyway, guys, as per usual, I'm going to do a couple of K's warm up because it is actually a little bit fresh. No rain or no wind yet, but yeah, it is still cold. And I do like to do a warm up before having a reasonable tempo sort of run at Parkrun. So anyway, guys, happy days. I'm going to get my jog on, and I'll see you guys back here shortly. Overshot that one.
Love face down and dove head first. Dream loud, I sailed the sun's crown, escape the sound of love's first joys. Look now, the skies I'm under shake the ground as the world stood still.
It's not easy, that's for sure.
No, particular skill.
To count my life fulfilled. Dream loud. I sailed the sun's crown, face down. I dove head first. Dream loud. I sailed.
Alright ladies and gentlemen, that was Port Lincoln Parkrun, and I must say absolutely beautiful. In terms of the course, it is pancake flat. Being on the coast here, with a bit of wind, I'm sure it'd be a little bit of a challenging course, but yeah, it is dead flat. We got really lucky with the wind, the rain, the weather, everything this morning. So yeah, we're very lucky. Couldn't have asked for a better run, really. Big thank you to everyone who makes Parkrun here possible. Big thank you to everyone who's chatting to me about this channel afterwards. The support is amazing. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because every little bit helps me out. Now, I am actually away for the next 2 weekends. I'm actually working back in Roxby for the next 2 weekends. So unfortunately, no parkrun videos for the next 2 weeks, but after that, we're going to be up in Port Augusta filming the parkrun there, and I'm hoping we can organise some accommodation so I can be running the Pitchy Richie, probably the half marathon at this point. Yeah, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, unfortunately, no parkrun, but hopefully I get this video out to you guys in time, and that should tie you over for 2 weeks. But yeah, anyway, once again, thank you so much, and big thank you to everyone here at Port Lincoln. You have all been absolutely amazing, really great. We're off to find some breakfast. There's a place that sounds like it's a French cafe or something like that. That's what we're going to try. So anyway, thanks guys, and yeah, we'll see you all in the next video.